Good afternoon, guys. Mike Pridmore, Utility Service Agency, here today representing American Polywater with pad and pole products designed to repair damages to fiberglass pad mount enclosures. This is what your product's going to look like when you get it. Comes in a kit. Everything comes in a bag. I've kind of ripped this one apart to prepare myself. But a pretty simple process. I'm gonna try and run through it pretty quick to show y'all kind of what you do. First step is to excavate, get you a little room to work. Next step is to rough this surface up a little bit. Sand and abrade is what the instructions say. It's some pretty coarse grit sandpaper, so you're not looking to have a real perfect finish there. You're just looking to really give it something to grip to. Then using some of the Polywater, it comes in the kit, a type HP solvent wipe. You're gonna wipe this baby down. This one's on the corner, as most of them are. Make sure you open the solvent wipe, not the drying wipe. Then you're gonna get your drying wipe. Clean this bad boy up. Wipe that down. Easy as pie. Not a whole lot to it. And you're gonna take your pad and pole, rip that baby off of there. And apply your pad and pole around subject hole liberally. Pre-cut some of the felt strip that goes on here, and you're gonna basically cover your hole up with the product there. Not really rocket science here. You want to essentially make your felt saturated with the pad and pole. On all the corners and all the sides. My repair here is a little bit bigger than the actual hole. They say bigger is always better. All right, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to saturate this this actual felt itself. This is my first time doing this, so we're not talking a real hard process here, but essentially painting on your pad and pole to the felt, making fiberglass is what we're doing. A lot better than the alternative, which would be a procedure to remove your pad mount and replace your fiberglass pedestal here. So you can actually see this stuff as it kind of saturates and gets wet. It's becoming dark. Kind of gives you an idea of where to go with the secondary application of the pad and pole. too. That's important because you are making fiberglass in the field. And if you just have felt across your hole, you essentially have a patch of felt. You want a patch of fiberglass. So that's essentially what we're up against here when you're doing this. What you can do on multiple, for bigger holes, is multiple applications of more patches, and I've got some of those cut here, where essentially you would take and lay this on there, and we'll continue to do that. I'll show you a little bit about that, but the key is to get this first layer as saturated as possible. Take your time, don't rush it, and make sure that you're not just got felt there, that you actually got a patch that is saturated with the padding pole. Kind of a tedious process, but again, a little bit better than the alternative of taking that pad mount off for a weed eater hole or a lawnmower hole. Looks like we about got that one in there. There's one more little dry spot here. So your second application of your felt, instructions will tell you, if you read them. I got a little grass in there on this one. That's one of the good things about this kit. I'm gonna wipe this grass off. But you got multiple little brushes here. So you get some grass in there, just go to another brush. Start on a new brush. But your second application of your next felt needs to be just a little bit bigger than the first one. They say basically about a inch on either side, and so this stuff comes in a 6-inch wide roll. So I've got it at 1 inch on either side of this, and it's gonna make your maybe more like a 1/2 inch. It's gonna make your repair a little bit stronger. So doubling up, pull that down, press her down, all 4 corners, and then repeat the same process with your padding pole again. It's like washing a kid. Always start at the head, put the shampoo on the head, and then start at the top, let it run down and do its thing. Brush all that in. I won't bore y'all to the end, but I'll finish this up. But essentially doing the same thing we did on the first process. Your Polywater folks, they got a lot of stuff out there to offer to help make y'all's life a little easier in the utilities. And that's right, we can hit you with some some green paint there at the end. So this product takes about 30 minutes to cure to the touch, and then I think it's about 5 hours to cure before you want to paint it. But basically you come in here after you're done, you know, little green paint. We won't paint on it because we're going to finish this up the way it's supposed to be done. But you see what we got here. American Polywater, making your life a little bit easier out there in the utilities. So Mike Pridmore, Utility Service Agency. Call us if you have any questions. Thanks.
There you go.